Okay guys, so in this video I'll be showing us how to start and end a screen recording on your phone. So the last tutorial was on X recorder, so we are going to be using X recorder. Now for those of us that are curious about the app I'm using for this recorder tutorial on X recorder, right, it also takes a particular screen recorder app to record this video I'm using to do tutorial on X recorder. So the alternative I use apart from X recorder is AZ screen recorder. So I'm going to drop the link in my description. You can of course download it on Google Play Store and your Apple Play Store. So when you want to highlight anything in a video, let's take for example you want to highlight a particular icon so that people can understand what you are saying. So you just click on this button, this particular time counter, that I'm holding. So you just click on it like this. You click on it once, then you click on this like this screwdriver box here, this toolkit here. You click on the toolkit, then if you want to use most times what I use is brush. So the essence of the brush is that the brush will allow you to probably circle something, or write something, and things like that. So that is the essence of the what's it called. So the AZ screen recorder I'm talking about is this app here, and that is what I'm currently using to do this tutorial on recorder. Of course you can't use an app you are currently talking about to record itself, so it needs a partner, and that partner is that alternative is AZ screen recorder. Both of them are wonderful and they are excellent, and you can download both on Google Play Store. Okay, so let's move on. So let's go into S recorder. Let's go into S recorder and see how to start our video. So sometimes the S recorder, well, we just bring this like this. All you need to do is just to minimize, and delete it, close the tab and reload it. Okay, so we are in now. So for you to start your video, all you need to do is to press record. All you need to do is to press this record icon here. Can you see this record icon, this particular record icon here? So you click on it. So once you click on it, it will tell you that, okay, do you want to record only internal audio? I think I explained all this in my last video. You can go and watch the last video. So if you only want the let's take for example your screen is recording a video now, and you want that video to talk, you want the sound to come out rather, so you can only pick internal audio. In that case, if you don't want your own voice as the person recording the screen to talk, or to sound in your final video, so you can choose audio, internal audio. But if you want your voice to show, then you can pick the microphone. So we are going to click on this icon here. Okay, let me delete it. Okay, this icon here is for S recorder. This particular one I'm holding currently is for S recorder. So we are going to click it, then immediately we click on this. Okay, immediately we click on this particular one here, then it's going to bring this. So if you click on the red icon here, it's going to start the recording, which will disrupt this recording because I'm using a particular screen recorder already. So if you click on this two box here, it's going to give you the opportunity to also use brush, the same way in AZ recorder that I'm currently using. For the brush, this is where you choose a brush for AZ recorder, this one. So you just click on it like this, and anything you want to do, you just be able to do it. So when you want to start your video, you click on this red icon here, And at the same time, when you want to finish it, the same way you click on this, this particular video symbol here, that's the same way you also click on it when you want to end the screen recording. You just click on this red icon again when you are done recording your screen. So let me do it for this particular recording so that you can see it clearly. So you just click on this like this, you click on it and you click the one in the middle, the this has three icon. There is one that brings two line, so that two line is pause. The second one is stop the video or end the video, and the last one is the box here that will give you the opportunity to choose the screenshot if you want to screenshot, or you want to camera, or you want to use brush. So that is that. So I'm going to be using the button that just look like this red button here that has a white background. So I'm going to be using it now to end this video. See you in the next one.